I once did a workshop with about 70 women in which we were doing this time management exercise. I just wanted to help them prioritize their to-do list. And so I asked them to start off by writing all of the things they expected to do or complete in an ideal day. I mean everything, right? If you get up and you go to the gym, put that. If you lie in bed for 20 minutes thinking about going to the gym, put that, right? Your commute, preparing for meetings, every little thing. And then I asked them to write down how much time does it take you or would it take you to do every single one of those, and then to sum it at the bottom. Well, you won't be surprised to know that not one woman in the room had a sum that amounted to less than the 24 hours all of us have in a day, and that only half the women had even put sleep on their list. Somehow they forgot about that, right? It's no wonder that so many of us are walking around with these feelings of inadequacy, given the fact that what we imagine ourselves to be doing, the expectation that we have about what we should be literally doing each and every day, is humanly impossible.